Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. Edible oil supply is facing a crisis.
How often should microvolt tanks be inspected?
Complex calculations of edible oil.
Expanding our reach in Portugal with new farm silos installations.
Global Forum for Food and Agriculture in Berlin marks a milestone for advancing the sustainable bioeconomy, recognizing FAO's leadership.
2024/2025 Corn Harvest Quality Report.
Pioneering the future of agriculture, Cargill wins 2 big innovation awards.
Food insecurity deepens in Lebanon following conflict, new report shows.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Horti Agri Next Asia 2025 media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.